welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please would you click on that little red button, subscribe. Today we are talking about the skin. When should I start my children on a skincare regime? So I have been helping people with their skin for the last 20 plus years, and 9 out of 10 times people will bring me their children when they are in their late teens and already have acne. And then I'm sitting with this problem to try and rectify their skin. They have never used products before, and I need to put them onto a skincare regime and corrective products. And that is really hard to persuade the parents, first of all, to buy those products, as well as the child to then start using cleanser, toner, moisturizer, plus the spot cream, masking, serum. So my answer to you is, why don't you get your kids as young as 10, 11 years old on a skincare regime? Just the cleanser, the toner, the moisturizer, get them onto it. Prevention is better than cure. It gets them also onto using products and learning a little bit about self-care at a young age. It teaches them routine, and when they are young, as they learn it and do it more and more and more, they'll realize how important it is to their skin. They will see the result when they clean their skin, and they will want to do it more. So I started my 3 girls. I have a 20-year-old, a 17-year-old, and an 11-year-old. I started them all at the age of about 10 years old on a skincare regime. And Amy is my youngest. So I'd love you to come into the bathroom with me, and Amy and I are going to show you some of our favorite products that we love using. And I'm going to speak a little bit about the ingredients in the products, and let's go and have some fun. Okay, so we're in the bathroom now, and I wanted to unpack with you this Nutriance age-defying pack. Everything comes in this beautifully demonstrated box. Your cleanser, your toner, your serum, and your moisturizer. So I'm on this, my girls are on this, but for Amy, I wanted to just be practical with her when I started her at the age of 10. So we started with a cleanser. This was the cleansing gel, the Nutriance cleansing gel, which really foams nicely. And I'm going to call Amy now to come and demonstrate how I've taught her to use this. Ames, come and just start, Ames, by putting on your headband. So because my family are all using these products, I decanted for Amy into nice little bottles for her to use in the bathroom. So she has her own little routine going, the cleanser, the toner, and I found a little container for her moisturizer. It's super cute. This would be a perfect sample size, but she doesn't use a lot. So perfect for her to put next to the basin. So Ames, let me just fix your headband for you. I just want this to be like this. And I've gone over this routine with Amy, and she does it all by herself. She's going to start with the cleansing gel. Most kids, young kids, like something that foams really nicely. The reason why I love these products is they are 100% organic. And with all the chemicals in the home, I really think you need to reduce as much as you can and go clean and go green. These products were formulated in France and have pure seawater, marine ingredients, seaweed extracts, and botanical ingredients. So safe for young kids to use and completely organic. So I love that, and I love the fact that any child could use this product and it would not affect them in any way. So Amy is just doing little circles with the cleansing gel. I always recommend she puts it in the palm of her hand and just, you know, does little circular motion. It foams quite nicely without water, but you can also add water at the basin if you're wanting something to sort of lather more. She does this before she hops into the shower. Most of my kids love to shower. Most teenagers love to shower. So she does this and she normally hops into the shower, but we're just going to rinse it in the basin and then show you the next step. Okay, so Amy has filled the basin with water. She's going to just rinse it off. Just want to mention how important cleansing is to young skins. Amy started getting a few blackheads on her nose and forehead. We've been cycling, walking, so she's been sweating a lot. So the importance of keeping your skin clean is crucial to a healthy skin. I find with teenagers after doing sport, and especially in summer, if they don't clean their skin, they are susceptible to more breakouts. So I love this cleanser. It makes your skin feel just so super clean. Bearing in mind that this product is pH balanced, it is paraben free, it is non-tested on animals, it has clinical proven studies to prove that this cleanser does actually remove dirt and oils without stripping the skin and harming the skin. So great for young skins, but I personally love a face wash, so I use this myself. My other teenagers do too. When they have a breakout, they put the cleanser on and they leave it on their skins for a little bit. It has a bit of lactic acid in it, so this helps with the breakout. So step number 2, when Amy's finished washing her face, the step number 2, here's a towel, Ames. I've shown Amy how to use a toner. Now, the purpose of a toner is to prepare the skin for your moisturizer, as well as remove just any dirt that you haven't taken off. And it's like a secondary cleanser and pH balance to just neutralize the skin. So I love the smell of this toner. It is refreshing. It just has a beautiful light botanical smell and leaves the skin feeling really cool and refreshed. It's really helped with Amy's T-zone with just the small little blackheads, refining those and keeping her skin all clear and beautiful from the young age of 10. So Ames, will you do the toner and show us how to do it?
Okay, so you get cotton wool and lightly put water on it. And you're just going to put the palm of your hand on the cotton wool to squeeze out the water. So it's kind of like damp. And then you'll get the toner and squeeze a little bit on the edge. And then you just wipe it over your face. And you'll see once you're done that there will be like no toner left on the cotton wool.
And sometimes you also see some traces of extra dirt that you might not have cleansed off properly. I personally like to use it on damp cotton wool, not on dry cotton wool. I find the dry cotton wool quite harsh on the skin. Yeah. So I've always recommended to just wet the cotton wool, put it on a bit, and please take note, there is no alcohol in this toner. So many of the product ranges out there contain alcohol, and I do not want Amy using alcohol, pure alcohol on her skin as a toner. This is natural, it's neutral, it's pH balanced, and it's just making her skin more healthy and preparing it for adolescence. And again, prevention is better than cure. So we've prepped the skin for the last and final step, which is moisturizer. So before I go into moisturizer, Amy is too young for what I use. I use a serum before my moisturizer. A serum is your active product, which does come in this box. And I use the hydrating serum, which is filled with hyaluronic acid, which plumps out your cells, hydrates, and just encourages healthy glow in your skin, radiance. Amy is not using this. I've just put her straight onto the moisturizing cream. So for young kids, I really think that's all they need, and the 3 steps just to get them into that routine. So her final step, which she does normally after the shower, she jumps out and she tones. She has her little container and she's going to show you how she puts that on.
So you don't really need a lot on your face. I usually just use one finger and put it in the little container to get some moisturizer, and then I just do on one cheek. That's just 1 drop. Then I get another drop and put it on my other cheek. And then I put some on my forehead. That's another drop. And then on my nose. And then just my chin. So yeah.
Thanks, Ames. She's helped me model this product beautifully. I do find that you have to teach your children how to clean their skin. It is absolutely necessary to show them how to do it. And you need to show the kids not to be heavy-handed, otherwise you go through product very fast. So we are loving the Nutriance Age Defying set. I am a distributor of the products. However, I have been a beauty therapist and esthetician for many years, and I have researched the product, looked into the ingredients, and highly recommend them. And recommend them from kids to start with them as well as us. And being at home at the moment, I've read some crazy statistics about people working from home and cleaning so much more, and how the cleaning products are increasing, particularly women, the risk of cancer because of all the chemicals we're using in our home. So we are trying to eradicate that and go chemical free, organic. And yeah, we've been doing this for a while now. So we're just loving this product, loving the seaweed extracts, the essential oil smells, and I'm just super happy to share this news with you and this product with you. So feel free to reach out to me, contact me, message me, leave a comment below, and
give this a like. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe.
And yes, please follow me on my Instagram, JenKicksCorona. I also have a Facebook page called Live Healthy, and just trying to make this world a healthier and happier place. Have a fabulous day. Bye.